Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Go Crystal, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. Hey, it's your girl's birthday. Well, technically it's not today. My birthday was 3 days ago on Tuesday. However, I was way too lazy to try to film a YouTube video on Tuesday. So here we are on Friday. Hey, how you doing? It's my birthday all month. I celebrate all month. So anyways, it's my birthday. And on October the 10th, I celebrated my 1 year YouTube anniversary. Yay! That was the October 10th was the first day that my Gadget Kitchen uploaded its first video. And we are also celebrating the fact that I hit 3,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much to all of you out there who watch my videos and have subscribed to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. It just makes me feel really special that there are people out there that actually sit and watch me cook. Well, you watch my hands, because you know I don't really get in front of the camera. But I do hope to be able to get in front of the camera more so you guys can see me. So anyways, to celebrate these 3 awesome things, my birthday, my anniversary, and 3,000 subscribers, I'm gonna have a giveaway, and it's not gonna be 1 winner, it's going to be 2 winners, because I'm giving away not 1 but 2 awesome kitchen gadgets. Okay, so the first gadget that I'll be giving away is this, let's make sure you get this Blvd stackable stainless steel insert pans. Now you actually saw me do a video using this, and it's basically these are inserts that you use inside of your pressure cooker. They fit 6 to 8 quart pressure cookers, and it allows you to do what is called pot and pot cooking in your pressure cooker. So these sit inside the pot inside of your pressure cooker, and it allows you to cook in layers. So in the video I did rice at the bottom and chicken wings on the top. They came out great. Think fish and then veggies. You can bake in here, so you could do lasagna, you can do cakes, cheesecakes. So very versatile pans, and just a way to, you know, expand your cooking in your pressure cookers. So the company that sent this out to me, they are the ones who offered to give one to one of my subscribers. So thank you and good luck to you guys. And then the next gadget that I'll be giving away is, let me pull it up for you because I don't have one to show you, but it is this GoWise USA air fryer. It's their 3.7 quart digital air fryer. So let me make sure it's a programmable air fryer with 8 cooking presets, and it is a gorgeous red. I think it's beautiful. If I didn't already have 5 million air fryers, then I would probably have this one too. So those are the 2 things that I'm going to be giving away. So basically the giveaway is open to the US only. So I'm sorry if you're outside of the US. And the items will ship directly to the winners from Amazon. And I got Prime, y'all, so y'all get them in 2 days, okay? So let's talk about how you enter the giveaway. Whew, it's hot up in here. Okay, so here's how you enter the giveaway. So obviously you have to be subscribed to my channel, and I will be checking. So make sure you have clicked that little red rectangle that says subscribe. And if you really love me, go ahead and tap the bell next to it. That's the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload my next videos. And so number 1, be subscribed to my channel, and then leave a comment under this video, you know, just saying whatever. You can say happy birthday, you can say congratulations on my anniversary or whatever, or you can say why you want to win the giveaway. So that is That'll get you 1 entry into the giveaway. Now there's a way to earn 4 more entries, and to do that you need to follow me on my other social media platforms. The first one being Instagram. My Instagram name is My Gadget Kitchen. I will have a picture in reference to the giveaway, so go to my Instagram, follow me. You have to follow me, and then leave a comment on the picture. Now if your YouTube name is different from your Instagram name, then just say, hey, this is so and so from YouTube and I'm entering the giveaway. So YouTube, Instagram, so there's 2. The next way is Facebook. I actually have 2 different ways to get entries via Facebook. I have a page on Facebook called My Gadget Kitchen. So go to that page. Oh, I will have links to everything down below in the description box. But anyways, go to my Gadget Kitchen Facebook page. Make sure you like my page. Make sure you follow. So you have to like and follow. And then the same picture will be on my page. So find the picture and then comment under the picture, hey, this is so-and-so, and I'm entering your giveaway. And while you're on Facebook, I also have a My Gadget Kitchen Facebook group. So go to my group, click join, and then once you're in the group, find the giveaway picture and then leave a comment saying, hey, I'm entering your giveaway. Now the 5th and final way to enter the giveaway is to follow me on Twitter, and my name on Twitter is @MyGadgetKitchen. So like I said, I'll have links to everything down below. So basically when you get to my Twitter page, find the picture, leave a comment, yada yada yada. So I'm gonna give you guys, what's today? What is today? Today is Friday, October 26th. So I'm gonna give you 1 week to do this, guys. That's plenty of time. So I'm gonna let the giveaway run until next Friday, which is November the 2nd. And I'll cut it off at, let's say 5 p.m. Pacific time. That's my time zone. So next Friday, November the 2nd, 5 p.m. that will be the end of the giveaway, and I won't be accepting any more entries. And oh wait, I just thought of another way for you guys to get even more entries. Okay, share my YouTube channel with your friends. Have your friends come subscribe to my channel. Oops, hope I'm not making noise on the mic. Have them come subscribe to my channel, and then have your friends leave a comment under this video and say, hey, so-and-so sent me to your channel. So every one of your friends that comes to my channel, hits the subscribe button and comments under this video, gains you another entry. So then that makes your entries exponential. Like, I don't know, how many friends do you have? How many people are gonna commit to subscribing to my channel and then leaving a comment on your behalf? So I have 5 ways for you to win, and then you yourself can earn many more entries just by sharing my channel. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. That's all the information about the giveaway. Again, thank you all so much to all of you who do support my channel and share my videos. It's greatly appreciated. I do hope that you are enjoying the content. I started this a year ago as a way to show people how easy it is to get, you know, food on the tables for your families. And as you know, my tagline is get out of the drive-thru and get into the kitchen, because so many people feel like, oh, I don't have time to cook, let me just hit this drive-thru. Not only is it more expensive than cooking, but you know, it's just not as healthy either if you're grabbing a burger and fries or whatever. So you actually get more bang for your buck when you cook at home. And as I've shown you with the help of gadgets, and sometimes you don't even need a gadget, you can use a skillet, your oven or whatever. There are plenty of meals out there that are super easy to cook, that you can get on the table fast, 30 minutes or less. And then, you know, with the help of gadgets like, say, pressure cookers, there are some meals that do take hours and hours and hours to cook, you know, normally, but you can have them done in an hour or less, you know, using the pressure cooker. And then slow cookers are also very helpful because those can cook for you, you know, while you're out at work for the day. So I really do hope that my videos are helpful, and I do hope that they have gotten you in the kitchen more. Say if you were somebody who, you know, hit the drive-thru often, or hit, you know, the pizza delivery often, or whatever. Hopefully my recipes are easy. Hopefully you do think they are yummy, and like I said, and I hope they help you get out of that drive-thru. So that's all that I have for this video. So good luck to everybody out there. And again, thanks for always watching and being supportive, and get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.